Ever build a sandcastle in the middle of your floor? Or play inside the house like you're at the seashore? Now you can with
Squishy Sand!
It's the amazing new kind of sand that's made for playing indoors. Unlike ordinary sand, which is messy and boring, squishy sand is exciting and sticks together. You can stack it, you can slice it, or even write a note in it.
So squishy!
Use a mold to make a castle that's fit for a king. Drip and drop it, cut it, top it, or use cutters and shapes to make fanciful things. Squishy sand promotes creativity. Kids love it and moms approve. Create creatures and new kinds of friends, then squish them all up and start over again. And look, Ma, no mess. Squishy sand doesn't stick to hands, tables, clothes, or floors, only to itself. So cleanup is always fast and easy.
Squishy Sand!
Absolutely love it. I let my kids play with sand in the house. I want to play with it. It's super fun and addictive. This is a great product.
Squishy sand is magical fun for boys and girls and everyone. Kids love the touch and feel of squishy sand, and moms love that there's no mess. Squishy sand makes the perfect holiday or birthday gift. With squishy sand, you and your friends can make anything. Sculpt dolphins and seashells, build your soldiers a fort, race cars on a track, and sail ships into port. With this moldable, packable, shapeable sand. The power of your imagination's in the palm of your hand. Squishy sand is non-toxic and made for kids ages 5 and up. We love squishy sand. You can get your very own squishy sand online at www.squishysand.com. Each kit is just $19.99 and comes with plenty of sand and many tools you need to make fun sand creations. So go online to www.squishysand.com and get your very own squishy sand today and let your creativity begin. Must be 18 or older to order.